At tatawagan ng foul sa Richard Hughes. Ryan Reyes return to the line. Samantala, panahon natin ang ating Echo Art Design play. Ito maganda ito eh. Nakita po ninyo yung rebound and then Ryan Reyes lead pass to Bitoy Omolon. Our Echo Art Design play of the game brought to you by Unlimited by Mike Echo.
Reyes, his hands full of defense. Yeah. Missed 2 free throws. Wala pa siyang rebound. Meron siyang 2 assists. 3 personal fouls. What about this of a fire para sa rookie?
Well, alam natin matagal nang merong dinaramdam itong tendinitis. Nakawala si Roger Yap pero nabitawan din. Here comes Kelly Williams against Roger Yap. The bounce pass to Dennis Espino. Espino runs over Richard Yee. And to make things worse, it's going to be Richard Yee up to the foul.
And yung veteran smarts ni Dennis Espino, nakita niya, I have the numbers.
Sinagasaan na lang
He knew there was going to be a foul somewhere.
Eh, gumagalaw eh.
Oh, sooner or later.
That's number 4 on Richard Yee. But those free throws are really hurting. Those missed free throws are really hurting Santa Lucia.
Partner, 12 missed free throws now for Santa Lucia. 12. That's against 6 missed free throws for Pure Foods.
1 of 2 by Dennis Espino, and the lead of Pure Foods is 3. 61-58. Nasa third quarter po tayo. Ay gabi sa ating mga higala sa Tibok, Kabisayan at sa Mindanao, sa Tibok, Pilipinas na po. O sa ating mga higala nga naapod sa laing mga lugar. Kumusta kapuntahan na? Here's James Rock.
Yes.
Yung nagawa naman ni Ryan Reyes. Forward to Bitoy Omolon. Bitoy, oy! Nabitin. Nasa ilalim. Masyado malalim. Hit! Derek Miranda. Gets it back. Miranda. Lumabas ni Ryan Reyes. Palikuli kay Miranda. Dennis is going to top of the game. Sumaksak sa labo against Mark Pigris. Ang abot ng foul from Mark Pigris.
Tingnan natin yung patience sa Santa Lucia. They didn't want to force the issue kasi nandun yung transition defense of Pure Foods.
Ito merong
ganda na pasahan.
nakita niyo si Coach Boy Fernandez. Kunyari medyo relax pero kumakalabog yung team niya. Ito, magkakataon makatabla for the first time ang Santa Lucia. Tabla!
Partner, what? The man who made that play possible. Dennis Miranda with his anticipation.
You steal the ball.
Yes, steal. The anticipation got him into a steal. He is the league's #1 steals leader.
All right. For the first time in this game, we are tied at 61. Roger Yap. Nakuha na ulit ni Roger Yap. Doon na ito kay James Yap. Oh, what a big shot! What a big James Yap.
Flat shot.
14 points for King James, the birthday boy. Tatlo na naman ang lamang na Pure Foods. Dennis Espino.
Offensive foul by Dennis Espino. Kita yun.
Hindi sinasadya, humaba yung sigo ni Dennis Espino. The elongated elbow. There's that TFS by James Jeffrey to break the deadlock. 7 minutes and 10 seconds ang nalalabis sa ating third quarter. Game 1 of the championship. Best of 7 po ito mga kaibigan sa pagitan ng Santa Lucia at Pure Foods.
And this being played as expected.
Oh yeah.
It's tight. It's exciting. And the players are really giving it their all.
And defense oriented na, nakikita natin. Yung nga maraming fouls. Kaya pinay mo, yun ang defense sana eh. Pero nakuha ni Miguel.
Ang ganda naman ng body control.
Pinipit pa ni Mark Pigris has got 8 points in the game, trying to make up for lost ground. Hindi masyado nakalaro ito ng first half dahil nakakuha ka agad ng foul eh. 5-point lead once again by Pure Foods off a deadlock at 61. It is now 66 to 61. We'll be right back.
This time out.